learners, today we are going to use an array, related multiplication facts, or equal groups to divide by 7. So you're going to have more work with making arrays and equal groups, so make sure you're doing them right, okay? Yay! Arrays and equal groups are not the same thing. Okay, read the problem, please.
Erin used 28 apples to make 7 apple pies. She used the same number of apples for each pie. How many apples did Erin use for each pie?
Okay, boys and girls, the blue box asks you, do you need to find the number of equal groups or the number in each group? 20 large apples to make 7 apple pies. So the 7 apple pies would be what?
The group.
The groups. So we're trying to find the
Number in each group.
yes, the number in each group. Okay, should have.
Sorry.
Right. That's just the reason why you didn't get called on. Are you writing this down? All right. What label will your answer have? Looking at the story problem, look at the question. What label will your story problem, or will your answer have? Wyatt? What label will your answer have?
Apples.
Apples. All right, boys and girls, to find this answer, 27, to find the answer to 28 divided by 7, we are going to make an array. Okay, now if we had tiles out, we would be getting out 28 tiles, right? Okay, I'm not going to actually get out 28 tiles. We're going to just count to 28 tiles. But, so this is the dividend. We have that many tiles out. 7 is the divisor. And we it's going to be the what? What would you make it for an array?
7 rows.
Yes, I would make it the rows. Personally, that's what I would do. I would personally make it the rows. Now, you don't have to, but that's what I would do. So we're going to try that. We're going to make 7 rows. So, okay, remember, I draw rows going down first, but then but they actually go across, okay? So go down 7. Okay, but they actually will be going this way. I know we go down 7, but that's just showing you that we have 7 going down, but there's still rows, okay? Now, continue drawing 7 in each row until you get to 28. So let's do that. I have 7 so far. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh wait, if you guys are not as fast as me and I counted out loud, so that might have messed some of you guys up, so I'll just, okay. Remember how I said rows go sideways? I know when I first draw them, I draw them going down, but they go this way, right? When you go down and you sit in a movie theater, they're gonna say row A, row B, row C.
Row B.
Row A, row B, row C, D, E, F, G. And then there's 4 seats in each row. So this would be row A1, A2, A3, A4. How many in each row do we have, guys? Everybody? 4 tiles in each row. So how many apples did she use in each of her pies?
4
4 apples in each pie. So you can write that 28 divided by 7 equals
4.
4. 28 divided by 7, house style. equals 4. I keep having people miss 1 because they do not put the 4 on top of the house. Because we are too worried about other things. So please finish your problems instead of playing. Okay, the other strategy or the other way is using a related fact. 7, which is multiplying, okay? 7 times what equals 28? Maybe you guys should all know this because we just did the problem earlier, but 4. 7 times 4 equals 28. If you know 7 times 4 equals 28, then you can know that 28 divided by 7, for related facts, we have to have the same numbers, they'll just be switched around, will equal 4. Make sure you have 4 in both places. Now, the other way. This is how you break apart the other way to do equal groups. You could draw, this is one way to make equal groups, but you could draw 7 big circles for the pies. Okay? 7 big circles for the pies. Okay, so 7 circles to show 7 groups. So there are 7 groups for the 7 pies. Okay? How many apples did she buy?
28.
28. You need to draw apples in each pie until you get to 28. Or instead of calling them apples, we're going to call them counters because we're doing equal groups. Draw counters in each group until you get to 28.
Wait, 28?
28 divided by 10. How many do you have in each group?
4.
Yes, you have 4 counters in each group. So, let's read number 34. Gavin sold
21
to 7 different people. Each person bought the same number of pies. How many pies did Gavin sell to each person? Okay, what do you need to find? Super?
How many pies did Gavin sell?
Hey, how can you use a bar model to help you decide which operation to solve the problem? So we're gonna do a bar model, but what's our bar model gonna look like? They already have it on there, guys, so you kind of already know what it looks like.
Well, it has a whole bunch of tiny squares.
Okay, but you gotta tell how many with this problem.
It has 7
Why?
because that's how many people.
Okay, that's how many people. So I will make a bar model with 7 squares. Showing 7 equal groups. Okay, so what else is on our bar model? What else is on our bar model? 21 pies, and that is 21 pies.
All together.
Okay, in all. In all. Which is supposed to be 2 words. Sorry, they were too close together on my thing. In all. So I can divide to see how many in each group. I can divide to see how many in each group. Okay, let's we'll start on E and work our way over to C and D also. Oh, I think we're supposed to be C next, actually, technically.
Yeah, but we'll figure it out.
Okay. Oh, no, that's fine. It's fine. Okay. Complete the sentence. Gavin sold blank pies. How many pies?
21.
21 to how many different people?
7.
7. Each person bought the same number of
Pies.
Okay.
So
now we have to figure out how many he sold. Now, guys, this is kind of like equal groups. It's like you got circles. You could put a dot in each group till you get to 21. Okay? You could do that. Now, I would like a number to be in there, so once you're done doing that, I want to know what the number is.
Oh, and there's still another line
Okay.
on the other part.
So I got 7 so far. Let's keep going. 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Okay, so how many did each person buy?
3.
So you need the number 3 in each of these.
I knew it.
So Gavin sold how many pies to each person?
3.
Okay, hold on. Fill in the bubble right now. Fill in the bubble at the top right now. Fill in the bubble at the top right now. But what's another way we could have solved this? This is, like I told you, this bar model, which I kind of told you was the same as equal groups. So what's another way we could have done this? We could have made an array. What would our array look like?
7 rows of
Make
3
an array
with
with 7 rows of 3. Sorry, rows of, I forgot the S, so now the, hey,